This is how oil is filled in vehicle at petrol pump in America. This is how the gas cylinder is prepared. A small cannon is being prepared with the help of this JCB machine. Such wheat is harvested in Japan. A small iron pin being prepared. Now the dustbin will be picked up without any man. Vegetables kept in this machine will be cut automatically. A single man can sow paddy with the help of this small machine. The chain set is used so that the tractor does not slip. With the help of this pressure machine, the road can be cleaned easily. This small machine will easily cut trees. Android phone display is being checked. The iron rod was heated and given a triangular shape. The world's largest combine machine. This machine easily gave a round shape to the iron. Pot paint chip getting ready. The pot is cooked in this way. Wow, this is amazing! The lids of the steel can be prepared. This cutter will easily cut the fruit. Generated QR code. Do this which will cut the pineapple easily. This tractor runs on remote. Preparing the mask. With the help of this trick, you can easily bring the goods on the fourth floor to the ground floor. Water cyclone is being made naturally that have high pressure.